नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी
सरस्वती
गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी आशुतोषतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण
चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
साधि गौरी भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे
गोविंद भी करोगे हरे
राम
कृष्ण
राम हरे
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 राम
कृष्णा
राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
हरे
हरे राम
हरे
हरे
राम
राम
हरे
हरे कृष्ण
हरे
कृष्ण
कृष्ण
हरे
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 राम
हरे
राम
राम
हरे
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 कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण
कृष्ण
हरे
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 राम हरे
हरे
राम हरे
कृष्ण
हरे
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 कृष्ण कृष्ण
कृष्ण हरे
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 राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम हरे
हरे हरे हरे राम राम राम
कृष्ण
हरे
कृष्ण
हरे
हरे
कृष्ण
राम हरे
हरे राम राम
कृष्ण
राम
कृष्ण हरे राम हरे
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे
कृष्ण
राम
कृष्ण
हरे
हरे
राम
राम हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण
कृष्ण हरे हरे
राम हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे राम हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे
हरे
राम हरे
कृष्ण
कृष्ण
हरे
कृष्ण
राम
हरे
हरे राम
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 हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण राम हरे
राम राम
Hare Krishna, Krishna
कृष्ण
Krishna,
हरे
Hare Rama, Rama
हरे
Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna
हरे
Krishna,
हरे
Hare
कृष्ण
Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare 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 Rama, Rama Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Rama
Hare
Rama Hare
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Hare Ram,
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Rama
Krishna,
Rama
Krishna
Hare
Ram, Ram
Krishna Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram,
Rama Rama
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Rama
Hare
Rama
Ram,
Hare Rama Rama
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Ram, Ram Ram, Ram
Hare Rama
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Rama
Krishna
Hare
Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare
Krishna
Krishna, Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Rama
Hare
Rama
Ram,
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna Krishna,
Rama
Hare
Rama
Ram,
Hare
Ram Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Rama
Krishna,
Rama
Hare
Hare
Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare 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 Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare 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 Ram Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare
Ram Ram
Krishna
Ram Ram
Krishna Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Ram Ram Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Hare
Ram Ram Hare
Hare
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna
Krishna
Hare
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 Ram Ram Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Ram
Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna
Hare
Hare Hare Ram
Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Hare
Krishna Hare Ram
Krishna Hare
Ram
Hare
Hare
Ram
Krishna 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 Hare
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Ram
Krishna Hare
Hare
Ram
Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram
I was messaging
Hare
saying
Krishna
hello,
Krishna
and then he said be quiet, and then I said you two. He said
Krishna Hare Hare
you three. I said infinity.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Krishna Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare
Ram
Hare
Ram Hare Krishna Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Ram
Krishna
Ram
Hare
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 Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Ram
Hare
Ram Ram Hare Krishna
Hare
Hare
Ram Ram
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Ram Ram
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Ram
Hare Ram
Hare Krishna
Ram
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Ram
Hare
Ram Ram Ram
Ram
Hare
Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare Ram
Krishna
Ram
Hare
Ram
Ram Ram
Hare
Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna
Krishna
Hare Hare
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Ram
Hare
Ram
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 Hare
Hare Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Okay, Rishabh, do you have beads? Rishabh?
I've got counter.
You got counter. How many you counted? How many is there? Like how many did you do? How many? Can't hear.
53.
63.
53.
63 only? You are going very fast. Oh, see, this happens when you go very quick, no? You think that you will be finishing very quickly, like ahead of everyone, but then you are like, we go behind, isn't it? This is my experience. As much as we try, no, I want to finish very quickly within 5 minutes, then it will take 10 minutes. Okay, so go slowly, nicely. Yeah, like I was going, right? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Okay, you don't need to rush. Partha, did you finish?
Yes.
Okay, good. How do you go? Like what speed? I couldn't hear you. Can you?
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rame Rama Hare Hare.
Okay, good. That's a good speed. Okay, good. Okay, don't go too quick. Okay. All right. Who would like to recite this first mantra? Okay, Radha.
ईश्वरा परमा कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद
Ishvara Parama Krishna
Ishvara Parama Krishna
सच्चिदानंद विग्रह
Sachidananda
Chidananda
Vigraha
Vigraha
अनादिरादिर गोविंद
Anadiradir Govinda
सर्व कारण कारणम
Sarva Karana Karanam. Okay, we'll go ahead.
चिंतामणि प्रकर सत्कल्पवृक्ष
चिंतामणि प्रकर सद्मसुकल्प वृक्ष
Yes, keep reciting. Okay. Okay, Partha.
Chintamani Prakar Sadma Sukalpa Vriksha
Chintamani Prakar
सद्मसुकल्प
Lakshavite Surabhira Vipalayantam
Lakshavriteshu Surabhira Vipaliyantam
Lakshmi Sahasra Shata Sambrama Sevyamanu
Lakshmi Sahasra Shata Sambrahmashmi
सेव्यमानम्
Sevyamanu
Govindamati Purusham Tamaham Bhajami
गोविंदमादिपुरुषं
Madhurisham Bhajami. So this one is bit tricky, okay? Lakshmi Sahasra Shata Sambrahma Sevyamanu. Okay, this is Shata. Okay.
वेणु अनंतकुमार विंद दिलाय
Okay.
Hello, class चालू है
Will recite. Dhanvir, you recite. Venu Kunal. You muted.
वेणुं क्वन्तमरविन्ददलायताक्षं बरहावतं समसितं सुन्दराङ्गं कन्दर्पकोटिकमनीयविशेषशोभम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
Okay. You can recite the full shloka by the time it displays. Okay, next time we'll do that. Okay, whoever reminds, they have to recite the whole shloka. Okay, it displays. Okay, let's go ahead. Who will chant? Krit, you can chant? You can recite?
Okay.
अंगानि यस्य सकलेन्द्रिय व्यक्तिमन्ते
Angani
पश्यन्ति
कलयाति चिरं जगन्ति
पश्यन्ति
Pashyanti Kalayanti Chiram Jaganti
आनन्द चिन्मय सदोज्वल विग्रहस्य गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं
भजामि।
अद्वैतमच्युतमनन्तरूपम् अनादिमनन्तरूपमद्यं पुराणपुरुषं नवयौवनं वेदेशदुर्लभदुर्लभात्मभक्तो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि।
Hari Bol. Okay, now Rishabh, you will only recite, okay? Okay.
अद्वैतमच्युतमनादिमनन्तरूपम्
अद्वैतमच्युतमनादिमनन्तरूपम्
अद्यं पुराणपुरुषं नवयौवनं च वेदेषु दुर्लभमदुर्लभमात्मभक्तो
वेदेशुदुर्लभमदुर्लभमात्मभक्तो
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि।
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि।
प्रेमाञ्जनाचित भक्ति विरोचनेन सन्तोषते विदेशि विलोकयन्ति यं श्यामसुन्दरमचिन्त्य घनस्वरूपं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि।
Hari. Okay. Who is left now? Riya, you can recite.
प्रेमाञ्जनाचरित भक्ति विलोचनेन सन्त सदैव हृदयेषु विलोकयन्ति हृदयेषु विलोकयन्ति यं श्यामसुन्दरमचिन्त्य गुणस्वरूपम् श्यामसुन्दरमचिन्त्य गुणस्वरूपम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि।
Okay, Sonia. So now we are keeping this in the middle, okay? So we'll okay. Riya, you want to recite again? Okay, you recite.
रामादिमूर्तिषु कलानियमेन तिष्ठन्
रामादिमूर्तिषु कलानियमेन तिष्ठन्
नानावतारमकरोत् भुवनेषु किन्तु कृष्ण स्वयं समभवत् परमपुमन्यो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि।
Great, great. Okay. Who will be there now? Partha?
सृष्टि स्थिति प्रलय साधन शक्ति रेखा
सृष्टि
स्थिति प्रलय साधन शक्ति रेखा
जाये वयस्य भुवनानि बिभर्ति दुर्गा ज्ञानरूपमपि यस्य च चेष्टते सा
As fast as I can.
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
Did you do the 7th one?
Yes, did already.
Like
Yeah, we taught last week. Yes.
you learned the 7th one?
Yes, we learned last week only, Rishabh. So we'll see that.
Oh, I wasn't.
Okay? We'll see that again today, okay, Rishabh? Okay. Who was there? Radhav?
क्षीरं यथाधिविकार विशेषयोगा
Repeat again. Repeat again.
Arjavam, can you go outside?
क्षीरं यथाधिविकार विशेषयोगात्
Kshiram yatha dadi vikar vishesha yogat. Everyone recite after him.
संजायते न हि तत्पदगस्ति हेतो
Sanjayate nahi tata pratagasti heto.
यशम्भुतामपि ततसमपेति गया
Shambhutampi tata samapeti karyam.
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
Govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami.
यत्पादपल्लवीगं विनिदायकं
Vande
प्रणाम समय से गणाधिराज विघ्न व्यंत अलमेसी जगत्रयेश
Samadhi Purushottamam Jami.
Good.
What's the story?
Okay. Partha, your turn has already come. Let us give some other person. You have recited 2 times, right? Dhanvir,
Yes.
you want to recite again? One
Yes.
more shloka?
Yes. Yat Padapallavigam Vinidaya Kumbha.
Vinidhaya kumbha.
Dvande Pranama Samaye Sa Ganadiraja.
Dvandve pranama samaye saganadiraja.
Vigdan Vihantamalam. Yes. Ayasya Jagatrayasya.
Repeat again.
Vignan Vihantam Alam Ayasya Jagatrayasya.
Ayasya. It's not ayasya. Asya. Okay. Alam asya.
Alamasya
Go
Jagatrayasya.
slowly. Go slow. Vignan vihantum alam asya jagatrayasya. Go like that.
Vignan Vihantam Alam Asya Jagatrayasya.
Okay. Recite everything. All of you recite. Vignan vihantum jagatrayasya. Dhanvir.
Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami.
Govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. Okay, so
Mataji.
yes, you can recite Nikunj. You which
Mataji.
one you want to recite this one? So
Mataji.
No, me.
Mataji, I have a question.
who said?
Rishabh.
Rishabh said. Okay, I thought Nikunj was there. You want to recite this one again?
Yeah.
Okay, recite.
Yatpadapallavayugam Vinidaya Kumbha.
Yatpadapallavayugam vinidaya kumbha.
Dvande Pranama Samaye Sa Gandhiraja.
We recite again.
Dvande Pranama Samaye Sa Gandhiraja.
Gandhiraja nahi, not that. Ganadhiraja.
Gandhiraja.
Okay, recite again one more time.
Dvande Pranama Samaye Sa Ganadhiraja.
Okay, Dvande Pranama Samaye Ganadhiraja. Then?
Vignan Vihantam Alam Asya Jagatrayasya. Govindamadi Purusham
Okay, have you sent your audio, Rishabh, of the 10th verse? Your video?
Yes, my video.
Mataji.
Rishabh, have you sent?
Did we skip
Your voice is breaking, Rishabh.
me? It's Nick.
Okay, Ramadi Murtishu, Radhav is left. You will recite Ramadi Murtishu. Okay.
Mataji, I have a question.
Okay, you have a question. Okay.
Are we doing the quiz today?
Oh no, we'll finish this verse first.
Okay.
Okay, then we'll have the quiz all together. Mega quiz. Brahma Samhita.
Are we doing the quiz today?
Finale, grand finale.
So we're doing the quiz today?
No. Not today. We'll see the story today. There's a great Narsima story, and then there is one more Chankazi story also.
That story.
So, okay. So this one I will recite and you all repeat, okay? Ramadimurtishu kalani amena tishtan.
Ramadimurtishu kalani amena tishtan.
Nanavataram bhuvaneshu kintu.
Nanavataram bhuvaneshu kintu.
Rishabh, are you reciting? Rishabh?
Yeah.
Are you reciting with me this one? You are new to this one, no? You should learn today, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you recite with me. Ramadimurtishu kalani amena tishtan.
Ramadimurti Shukala
Niyamena.
Niyame
Na
Tishtan.
Tishtan, right? Niyam होता है ना, नियमेना tishtan, okay?
Tishtan.
Okay, Ramadimurtishu kalani tishtan. Murtishu
Ramadimurti Shukala
mena tishtan.
Huh?
Okay.
Tishtan.
नानावतारम अकरोद भुवनेषु किंतु.
नानावतारम अकरोद भुवनेषु किंतु.
ओके. कृष्ण स्वयं समभवत् परमा पुमान्यो.
कृष्ण स्वयं समभवत् पुमान्यो.
गोविंदमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि.
गोविंदमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि.
Okay, who else would like to recite this one? Diana? Okay, you can recite.
Yes.
You want to repeat after me?
Yeah.
Okay. Ramadimurtishu kalani amena tishtan. Murtishu kala niyamena tishtan. Try to read in English, okay? Nanavataram akarod bhuvaneshu kintu.
I can't read it in English.
So this is English script, right? So you just have to understand where there is a, you have to put a, va, this like that. How we read in normal English language, it's that, right? So nanavataram akarod bhuvaneshu kintu.
Can you tell someone else to do it? My mom is calling me.
Okay. Vrinda, are you there?
Yes,
Yes, you can recite. You know this one, or shall I read and you will follow?
If you can.
Okay, yeah. Ramadimurtishu kalani amena tishtan.
Ramadimurti niyamena tishtan.
Nanavataram akarod bhuvaneshu kintu.
Nanavataram akarod bhuvaneshu kintu.
Krishna swayam samabhavat parama pumanyo.
Krishna swayam samabhavat parama pumanyo.
Govindamadipurusham tamaham bhajami.
Govindamadipurusham tamaham bhajami.
Okay, very good. Anyone else would like to try? Means who are new? Partha, you want to recite again? Okay, you recite.
Yeah. Ramadimurtishu kalani amena tishtan.
Everyone repeat after him, okay? So that you all can repeat. रामादिमूर्तिषु कलानियमेन तिष्ठन्
रामादिमूर्तिषु
कला कला नियमेन तिष्ठन्. Okay, next line, Partha.
नानावतारमकरत् भुवनेषु किन्तु
नानावतारम्
अकरोत् भुवनेषु किन्तु
किन्तु
कृष्णा स्वयं समभवत् परमापुमान्यो
कृष्ण स्वयं
सम्भवत् परमात्मन्यो
तमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. Anyone else? Radhav, okay.
रामादिमूर्तिषु कलानियमेन तिष्ठन्
रामादिमूर्तिषु कलानियमेन तिष्ठन्. Everyone recite, not only me.
नानावतारमकरो भुवनेषु किन्तु
नानावतारमकरोत् भुवनेषु किन्तु. Why no one is reciting?
कृष्णा
Turn on your
स्वयं
cameras, all of you.
नानावतारमकरोत् भुवनेषु किन्तु
कृष्णा स्वयं सम्भवत् परमापमन्यो
कृष्णा स्वयं समभवत् परमापुमान्यो
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं
तमहं भजामि. Okay, so let's go ahead. So we'll see the meaning and then we'll start reading the first story. Okay, synonym Rama Adi. Repeat.
Rama Adi.
The incarnation of Lord Rama, etc.
The incarnation of Lord Rama, etc.
Murtishu. In different forms. Kala Niyamena. By the order of plenary portions.
By the order of
Portion. Existing. Nana.
various
Avataram. Incarnations.
Akarod
Executed. Bhuvaneshu. Within the worlds. Kintu. But Krishna. Lord Krishna. Swayam. Personally. Samabhavat. Appeared. Parama. The Supreme. Kuman. Person. Ya. Govindam. Adi Purusham. The original person. Aham. I. Bhajami. Worship. Translation. Repeat after me. I worship Govinda. The primal Lord. Who manifested himself. Personally. As Krishna. And the different avatars. In the world. In the form of Rama. Narsimha. Vamana. Etc. As his subjective portions. Okay, I read again. I worship Govinda, the Lord who manifested himself personally as Krishna and the different avatars in the world, form of Rama, Narsimha, Vamana, etc. as his subjective portion. So it says what? This Lord, Govinda, he has He has personally come into this world as Krishna, and he has also come in the form of his incarnations. Okay? So Rama, Narsimha, Vamana, these are all
His avatars.
Krishna's avatara.
Avatar.
Okay, not Vishnu's avatara, but they are actually Vishnu's, but they are Krishna's avatara. Krishna is not Vishnu's avatar, but Vishnu is Krishna's incarnation. Okay. So Rama, Narsimha, Vamana, they are Krishna's avatar. Okay. So some people say Rama is greater than Krishna, but that's not
No.
right. Okay. Krishna is the supreme personality of God. Narsimha also comes from Krishna. Vamana also comes from Krishna. Balrama also comes from Krishna. Okay. Kurma, the tortoise incarnation, he also comes from Krishna.
Matsya Kurma.
Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, everyone comes from Krishna. Very good. Priya. Yes, Radha.
Mataji, what's the difference between Krishna and Vishnu?
Yeah, so I showed it to you in the first lesson, right? If you remember, introduction.
Yes.
Anyone remembers the quadruple incarnations of Krishna? So I'll draw it again today. I'll show you.
Rishabh.
Like this. Wait a minute. Okay. So I'll show you again. Okay, today. Yeah, all of you, please remember. Okay. So first there is Krishna. When there was nothing there, Krishna was there. When there will be nothing there, he will always be there. Okay. So this is Krishna. And then from him comes Balarama, his expansion. He expanded himself into Balarama. Now this Balarama, he expanded again himself into Sankarshana. Balarama's other name is Sankarshana, but this is Vishnu, okay? Sankarshana is Vishnu, he has 4 hands, 4-handed, okay? Krishna has how many hands?
2.
2 hands, okay? Balarama has how many hands?
2.
2. And Sankarshana, so Sankarshana is Vishnu, okay? He has 4 hands. Yes, Radha, you want to say something?
I'm saying Krishna was the last one.
Hmm?
I was saying Sankarshana has 4 hands too.
Yes. Okay, you wanted to say, okay, fine, good. Okay. So Sankarshana, and Sankarshana expands himself into, Vishnu expands himself into 4 personalities. Who are those?
4.
Do you remember from the first class? Yes, Aniruddha.
Vasudev. Pradyumna.
Yes.
Sankarsana.
Very good. Excellent.
Me.
Do you have the copy previously? And but you have memorized. You remember? Riya?
No, it was in my brain.
That's very
My
good.
book is open, but I'm just writing it down.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, so again Sankarshana is here. Okay, so 3 more people are coming. They are all Vishnus, okay? Not people. They are Vishnus, okay? Aniruddha, Pradyumna, Vasudev. Now again from this Sankarshana, 4 Vishnu incarnations are coming. Okay, who are those? This is first quadruple expansion. First quadruple. They are called quadruple because there are 4 So 4 means quadra.
But there's 4 Vishnus, right?
3 means tetra. Okay. Okay. Like that. Quadruple incarnations. Vishnu incarnations. Okay. So then there is second quadruple incarnation. Nick, you want to say something? Who are second quadruple incarnation? Who are 4 people? 4 Vishnus? Yes, Radha.
Kshiradakshaya Vishnu, Garbhodakshaya Vishnu.
Oh, no. Same people, same. Aniruddha, Pradyumna, same.
Ah, Aniruddha Vasudeva.
Manodera, actually Pradyumna comes after that, okay? Here, but she was saying, so I have written like that. Pradyumna and Vasudeva and Sankarshana. And Sankarshana. Okay? Pradyumna.
Rishabh.
And then this Sankarshana, he will expand into only one person. What he will be that? So this happens where? First quadruple happens where? Who can tell me?
Goloka?
Goloka, yes. This happening in the Goloka. Okay. So they are whom actually? They are the gatekeepers. Okay. They are Vishnus. Okay. They are the gatekeepers of Golokas. Okay. Gatekeepers. Gatekeepers of Goloka. Okay. There are many other gatekeepers also, but they are the gatekeepers. Who is not listening properly? I will ask at the end again. Okay. Listen properly. So they are the gatekeepers. Then these are also the gatekeepers of where?
Vaikuntha.
Vaikuntha. So Vaikuntha is below Goloka or above Goloka?
Below.
Above.
Who said above?
Not me.
I said. Below.
Because it's below, right? How can it go above?
Yeah.
Of Vaikuntha.
Who are the gatekeepers of Vaikuntha?
The same. Aniruddha, Pradyumna, Vasudeva, Sankarshana. Okay. So they are Vishnu forms. And these are also Vishnu forms. But they are in Golok. One are in the Golok, and the second ones are in the
Mataji, I thought it's Jay Vijay.
Yeah, Jai Vijay are also there in Vaikuntha. I said no, there are many gatekeepers. And so they are like Jai Vijay is also there. Yes, that's right. They are always eternally there. Very right. But these are expanding themselves. So we are concerned about them now. Okay, for these studies. So then Sankarshana, he expands into first Purusha avatar. Okay. First Purusha avatar. Who is that? First Purusha avatar? Radha, you were saying something?
No. Garbhodakshaya Vishnu?
First is which one? Not Garbhodakshaya.
Kshiradakshaya Vishnu.
Kshirodakshaya Vishnu. Okay. First Purusha incarnation. Who is that? Kshirodakshaya Vishnu. Kshirodakshaya Vishnu. Okay. Or he is also called as another name?
Paramatma. I mean, no.
Karanodakshaya Vishnu.
Vishnu, yeah.
Oh, not Shiro. Why did I write? Oh, when you are saying, I'm just taking it. He's called only Karanodakshaya Vishnu. Okay, not Shirodakshaya. Shirodakshaya is Paramatma. You are right. So he's Karanodakshaya Vishnu. First Purusha incarnation is Karanodakshaya Vishnu. His another name is Mahavishnu. Okay. And why is called Karana Dakshaya Vishnu? What is the, can you separate this Karana, Udaka, Shai? Karana means?
The Karana ocean.
Karana ocean. Udaka means ocean, okay? And Shaya means? Sleeping. Right. Shayan.
Sleeping on the Karana Dakshaya Vishnu.
Yes. So
Karana
there is a
ocean.
Karana ocean. It is at the junction of, this is material world.
Right. Oh, oh.
And this is spiritual world, isn't it? Vaikuntha and everything. What happened? Okay. Spiritual world. Right? So Vaikuntha, Goloka, they come under spiritual world. And now between spiritual world and material world, there is a Karana ocean. Okay? Or that is also called
Virat River.
Viraj river. Viraj, okay? Not Virata. I hope you said Viraj, right? Viraj.
Yes, it's Virat, not
Yeah, okay,
Virat.
Viraj river. So Viraj river and Karana ocean. Your memory is really sharp. Very good. So
Thank you.
and then Karana ocean. Okay. So both can be called Karana ocean. There is one more personality in this here, right? Not only Mahavishnu, but one more personality resides here. Who is that?
Is it another Vishnu?
He is not a
Lord
Vishnu.
Shiva.
Lord Shiva. Yes. Sadashiva. Okay. Sadashiva. So this is Sadashiva Loka. Here.
What
He
is
resides between the spiritual world and material world. Just in the Karana ocean, there is a Sadashiva Loka where Shiva resides. Lord Shiva. Sadashiva. He resides there. Okay. Now let's go down. So this Mahavishnu, he lies, and from him, endless, is lying in this Karana ocean. When he breathes out, he breathes out, what happens? From his pores, he has skin, and it has pores also, right? From his pores, many universes are coming out, right? Endless universes, always coming out. And the duration of his one exhale is how much? The life of Brahma. Okay. 311 trillion.
40 billion years.
40 billion years. 40 billion years. Okay. So after this, after Brahma's lifetime, 100 years of Brahma is 100 years of Brahma. After that, what happens? All the universes, when he starts, okay, this Mahavishnu, he starts inhaling. Okay. So what happens? This all universes go back. So annihilation happens after Brahma's 100 years are gone, complete. Okay. Now we'll see each of this universe now. Okay. One of this universe. Let us see what happens in this one. It's a big universe. Big universe. What happens? Here, someone enters. Who is this? This Karana Dakshaya Vishnu. He enters into each of these universes in the form of
Paramatma.
Garbhodakshaya Vishnu.
Garbhodakshaya Vishnu. Very good. So this Garbhodakshaya Vishnu, he is also shy. Means he is lying on the, which snake is there? Who is the
Kalia.
snake? Not Kalia, man. Not Kalia. It's who?
This.
Ananta Shesha. So he is Balram himself. So Lord Balrama, helps Krishna in his sleeping also. He becomes his bed in the form of Ananta Shesha. So he is Garbhodaksha Vishnu here. So his name is Garbhodaksha Vishnu. Sorry, my pen and everything is not working properly.
Mataji,
Ah.
what is Vasudev, Pradyumna, and Sankarsana?
Vishnu.
Like, what
Okay,
do you mean?
you were not listening properly, Dhanvir, that time, and now you are asking, you are disturbing everyone. Okay, so this Sankarshana and Vasudeva, they are the Vishnus, okay?
Oh, Vishnu's avatar.
Krishna, from Krishna comes Balram, okay? From Balram comes these 4 Vishnu incarnations, okay? So they are Vishnus, okay? These 4, Aniruddha, Pradyumna, Sankarshana and Vasudeva, okay? From
Okay.
Sankarshana comes all these 4.
Okay.
Okay, so these are all Vishnus only. Only Krishna and Balram are actually supreme personality of Godhead. They are like us. So Garbhodaksha Vishnu, he like Mahavishnu or Karanadaksha Vishnu, he is entering into each of the universes in the form of Garbhodaksha Vishnu. And what he does, he fills this universe, half of the universe, with what?
Water.
Okay, with his perspiration. Okay. Okay, so Garbhodaksha Vishnu. So he does like this. Okay. So and then the upper part is remaining, right? So now from his navel, someone comes. Who is that?
Brahma. Golden lotus.
A golden lotus. It goes straight above. And there Lord Brahma is there. Lord Brahma. Okay. So now Brahma is assigned to do something.
Mataji, which Vishnu do we have right now?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Okay, wait a moment. So this time, what Brahma does, he is the creator. Okay, so Krishna asks him, or this Garbhodaksha Vishnu says to him that you start creating. Okay, so what Lord Brahma does? He divides this land, this whole universe into 3 portions. Okay,
Upper,
upper,
middle, and lower.
middle,
Upper, middle, and
and
lower.
this is lower. Okay, so this is middle, and this is upper,
And lower.
and this is lower. Okay, lower planetary system. Lower planetary system. So the upper portion he divides into 6 portions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So what are those? And this one is called Bhuloka. The middle planetary system. Bhuloka. Bhumandal. Okay. Bhuloka. This is Bhurva. Bhuvar. Bhuvar. Bhuvar.
Swa.
Then Swa. Then Janaloka.
Tapaloka.
Very good. Tapaloka.
Maharloka.
Maharloka.
Brahmaloka.
And then Brahmaloka. Very good. Okay. Okay. Brahmaloka or Satyaloka also we can say. Satyaloka. It's not working. I don't know what is happening. Satyaloka. Okay. So, and then the lower he divides into, these are 7, right? Total 7.
Yes.
Swa, 7. Okay. Then this lower also he divides into, now 7 plus 7. Okay. Total
14.
14 planetary systems. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Okay, so first is
Atala, Vitala, Sutala,
Patala, Mahatala,
Kala, Atala,
Vitala,
Vitala,
Sutala,
Sutala,
Atala, Tala,
Rasatala,
and Patala.
Rasatala, Mahatala,
Mahatala,
and Patala.
Patala.
Okay, these are the lower planetary systems. Okay, where the snakes and the some of the hellish planets, these things are also there. But they are not like they are very prosperous, just like Swargloka. These lokas are also very prosperous, but the thing is they are atheistic people. They don't believe in Krishna. Yes, brother.
Mataji. So if I put the Pata local, every person be like materialistic.
Yeah,
Like they don't believe in God.
just like Ravana's that land, no, Sri Lanka, how it was. It was made with old gold, everything. It's very rich, very rich. You know, in the oceans, you can find very big, nice gems.
Yeah.
So, this is not our. Don't think that this is our Earth. Huh? This is not Mother Earth. This is the whole universe.
Oh.
Yeah, this is not Earth. So Earth is inside this Bhumandala. Bhumandala is divided into 9 different dvipas. Okay, 9 dvipas, 9 islands. This Bhumandal itself is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 islands. Okay.
So Mataji, are we
In
like
one of the island is called Jambudvip. Okay, Jambudvip.
Oh yeah, Jambudvip. I remember.
Jambudvip. In which
Salt
that
Ocean.
is? Yes, Jambudvip is under the
Salt
salt ocean. So there are different oceans. Okay. So if this is the Bhumandala, okay, if you cut this across, then how it will look like concentric.
yeah.
These are the 9 oceans. If you see this picture from above, from Brahma's vision, इधर ऊपर से अगर देखेंगे, right? So how it will look like this concentric. Okay. So there is a ocean of salt, milk, and honey,
King?
and yogurt, and some liquor also. Such kind of oceans.
Liquor.
And this what the lines you can see, they are the dvipas. Okay. So one of the dvipas is Jambudvipa. Jambudvipa. In Jambudvipa also there are varshas, different varshas, 7 varshas. One is Bharat Varsha. Bharat Varsha. In that Bharat Varsha also there is Bharat Khanda. Khanda. Okay. This is our Earth.
Hello, Earth.
Okay. So how far is that? See? Right? So in this Jambudvipa, there is a Kishkinda Varsha, and not that Kim Purusha Varsha, and different Varshas. Okay. Kim Purusha Varshas, they are Hanumanji resides in Kim Purusha Varsha. And there are also some people who don't look like humans, moreover like monkeys or like that. They are called Kim Purusha. They are like humans, but they are different than humans.
They like Hanuman.
So there are different varshas. One is Bharat Varsha, Kim Purusha Varsha. I'm forgetting what all are there, but there are 7 varshas. Okay. So then in Bharat Varsha there is Bharat Khanda and Earth. Okay. Now if you see this Bhumandal has a very thick layer.
Yeah.
Like you see, how far is this from the spiritual world? Very far, right?
So far.
So now this Bhumandal has a thick layer of what? 7 layers. There are 7 layers. What are those 7 layers? One is earth. Okay. What are the Panch Maha?
Earth, fire, ether,
Water,
Fire, ether, air,
fire,
ether, air,
air,
and
ether.
ether.
and then there is called earth, air, fire, ether, and mind and false ego.
Water, water, water,
So this is the outermost layer in false ego. The very
water.
very closest layer is earth. Okay, the closest layer to the Bhumandal where we are living here, like there are 9 dvipas, right? 9 oceans these are, and the closest one is earth. Then if you go far away, so it goes like this. Okay, this is the farthest one. This false ego. False ego is the farthest one. So if you go backwards, right? If you go backwards, so up to here it will come. Here false ego maybe, right? Then you can go towards spiritual world. So when a person gets liberated from this material world, he's in this Bhumandal, okay, in this small earth he's there. Now that person has a keen desire to go back to Krishna. So what he has to do? He has to cut all this upper planetary system also. He has to go through that. Then he has to cut this all 7 layers of the Bhumandal. What is the thickness of these layers? Very thick, extremely thick. Okay, this earth layer, this is almost 4 million miles thickness. Okay, okay, then 10 times greater than this is 40 millions. 40 million. Then 10 again, 400 million miles. Okay, 4,000 million miles, 40,000 million miles, like that. Okay, so the false ego is very thick, the last layer.
That's a
So
lot.
each and every layer is 10 times thicker than the previous layer. Okay, so this is the thickness. So you can understand what kind of keen desire that person should have to go back to Goloka. Then only he can go back. Okay, that's why we have to work very hard for Krishna. In this life, if you are not serious and if you think, I can go easily to Goloka, forget about it, right? About 1,000 lifetimes also we can't go, right? So this is the thing. And what is that? One more Vishnu we left, right? Now we are left with one more Vishnu. Who is that? Shirodaksha. So Shirodaksha Vishnu resides where? Do you know about Dhruv Tara, pole star?
I know Dhruv Tara.
Okay, inside of Dhruv Tara there is a Kshirosagar. Okay, so Dhruv Tara, Dhruv star, the pole star is around here.
Kshirosagar.
Okay, so although the pole star is in the material world, but it is a spiritual planet. So when there is a time of annihilation, this pole star doesn't vanish. It always remains there. Okay. In the night time, if you see on the northern side, there is a very stable planet, some kind of very, very bright star you can see. That is a pole star. Okay.
Mataji?
It's not in this material world. It is in material world, but it is completely spiritual. Pole star.
If Mataji?
And wait a moment. So in pole star, there is a Kshirosagar. Ocean of what? Shira means? Milk, yes. So ocean of milk, okay. And there resides who?
Shirodaksha
Vishnu. So when Krishna was going to take birth, this Brahma and other demigods, they went to whom? They went to Krishna? No. They went to this Shirodaksha Vishnu. They said that there are many miscreants. Please come, Lord, and relieve us. Okay. So this Kshirodaksha Vishnu, he heard and he said, okay, I'll come, I'll incarnate, like I'll myself manifest in the form of Krishna. So Krishna will come and he will relieve this world. So Krishna comes once in a lifetime of Lord Brahma. Okay. Only sorry. Once in a daytime of Lord Brahma. Okay. So 4.6 billion years is Brahma's 12 hours. And 4.6 plus 4.6 is 4.3, sorry, is 8.6. 8.6 billion years is Brahma's 24 hours. So at every 8.6 billion years, Krishna. So Krishna just appeared before 5,000 years, right? That happened after 8.6 billion years. So we are so fortunate. This is amazing truth. This is truth. Just like we wake up and we see Krishna every day, right? When we wake up in the morning, we see Krishna, right?
Where?
So
How?
when Lord Brahma wakes up in his daytime, in his 24 hours, one time he sees Krishna. Okay. And we also can see Krishna at that time.
So when?
He appears in this our Bhumandala after 8.6 billion years. So in next, there will be some, like currently we are in Kali Yuga, right? So again Satyuga will start after Kali Yuga finishes. In Satyuga there will be no Krishna. There will be some Vishnu or some Narayan or somebody will take birth.
But
in Vrindavan. But then he will not be Krishna himself. Krishna himself comes only at 8.4 billion years, 8.6 billion years.
do you know which yoga will be after thousands of years?
It will be Satya Yuga again, because it is Kali Yuga. Okay, so it will start again with Satya Yuga. So these are the three kinds of Vishnu. They are called Purusha incarnation, 1, 2, and 3. So first in Purusha incarnation was Mahavishnu, right? First Purusha incarnation. Then Garbhodaksha Vishnu, that is second Purusha incarnation. And the third Purusha incarnation is Shirodaksha Vishnu. Okay, this Shirodaksha Vishnu is the third. Okay, so it's a great science, and as much as we always write and discuss, we will remember. Okay, we can't remember it in just one day or like that. There is more to it also, but we'll see everything slowly. Okay, not everything together. Okay, thank you so much. Any questions?
Yes.
Yeah, yes, Ria.
No, Rishabh.
No, Ria also raised his hand. Her hand, sorry. Yes, Ria.
In how many weeks will be the quiz?
Oh, we are reading this maybe after the maybe around 10 or 15th of October. After we perform our Diwali Mela, no?
When is that? When is the Diwali Mela?
4th October.
Like,
because we have to still read a story, 1 or 2 stories. One is Narsimha story, that is very long, and then there is Chand Kazi story, and then we have to one class will go in explanation of Ramadi Murti shloka. So I haven't explained on the whiteboard, right? So that will also take 1 class. So still 2 to 3 classes will go, and then we have to revise also, because most of you don't remember, right? So each and every shloka, meaning of each and every shloka, right? The quiz can't happen just like that, right? We should know this meaning of the shlokas also. Okay, and because you people you are never studying at home, so I have to do everything here only. So that's why we have to revise the shlokas also. Okay?
I do study at home.
Whenever you get time, Dhanvir, you should hear the recordings. Okay, we have 24 recordings by now. So start hearing from first. So in the first 2, I have explained this very nicely. If you go in the introduction part, that will be also there in the quiz. Kahoot everyone likes, but then we have to prepare also, no? You should get good marks. That is the aim. Just not appearing for the Kahoot quiz, right? Getting good marks. Okay. Any questions? Yes, Rishabh.
How many, like, can you tell me all the ages
Hare Krishna.
to different yugas?
Ages of different yugas. That's a good
Yeah,
question.
how much up till can you go, like, in different yugas?
Hare Krishna.
So Kali Yuga is 4.5. Wait a moment.
No, like, not years, but how old you can get in different yugas.
How old you can? So Kali Yuga lifespan is 100 years.
But Tulsidas got to 126.
That's fine. Now, like some people in Vrindavan, they can live up to 800 years. Okay.
And
In Prabhupada's time, there were some people who were of 800 years old, and they were living in the caves of Vrindavana. And that guru, he was guru, and his disciples were also 400 and 300 years old. Okay, they never go to Guinness Book of World Record and they say, "Oh, yeah, I am the oldest person," because they are in Vrindavan. Okay, they don't care about all these things.
But in Japan, there's also 111.
So this is average age. Don't forget this. This is average, because some people die at 50 years also in Kali Yuga, isn't it?
Yes.
So junk, as much as we eat the junk food, we are going to die early. Okay, always remember.
Because Tulsidas, he only eats roti sabji, so
Yeah.
that's why.
Yeah. So Kali Yuga, and then Dwapar Yuga, add 10 more, yeah, like 1,000 years.
1,000.
Yeah, and Treta Yuga. What will be the figure? Treta Yuga, 10,000 years, right? And then which is the first yuga? Satyuga.
Yuga.
Satyuga has 100,000 years. Okay, so this is the age of people in different yuga. Okay, average age. Okay, any questions? Okay, let's conclude the class. It's a lot of time now. You have to eat, and some of you have to sleep from Sydney, Melbourne. Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.